Hi, these are scale models of some amazing birds of India. At the back you can see an eagle, a falcon. This is greater flamingo. This is a cock. This is a very graceful bird called the great hornbill. But this beats them all. This is a bird called greater racket-tailed drongo because its tail feathers are like rackets of tennis or badminton. And this bird is found in Western Ghats. But surprisingly, all these models, which are proportionate to the actual birds, have been made by me using the plumbing cement M-Seal. M-Seal is a two-part resin. There is one resin and one hardener, and when combined and made into a paste, that starts hardening and hardens in an hour or two. So these have been made by me by using that plumbing cement. I'm Tejas Nayak, and you have visited my world. Thank you.